Amidst controversy and uncertainty, the Adani Group continues to stand tall as one of India's most powerful and diversified conglomerates. From dominating critical sectors like renewable energy and infrastructure to expanding globally, Adani's potential for growth is immense. In this video, we'll explore the untold strengths of the group, why investors are still bullish, and what the best and worst-case scenarios could mean for your portfolio. Stay tuned to see why Adani's future could be brighter than ever, no matter the hurdles they face. Adani Group, one of India's largest conglomerates, has faced significant scrutiny and challenges in recent years, but it also has many strengths and positive aspects that investors may want to consider. Below are 15 great points about Adani Group that highlight its potential, irrespective of the adverse news. 15 positive aspects of Adani Group. Number 1. Diversified business portfolio. Adani Group has a strong and diversified presence in sectors like energy, infrastructure, logistics, real estate, and mining, reducing dependency on any one sector. Number 2. Market leadership in infrastructure. Adani Ports is India's largest private port operator, with significant market share and an extensive portfolio of assets. Number 3. Strong energy sector presence. The group is a leader in both conventional and renewable energy. It is one of the largest private players in the power generation industry and a major player in solar energy. Number 4. Global expansion. Adani Group has expanded its footprint globally, including projects in Australia, Indonesia, and Africa, which contributes to the group's global reach and growth potential. Number 5. Focus on renewable energy. Adani Green Energy is one of the largest renewable energy companies in India, aligning with India's green energy transition and offering long-term growth prospects. Number 6. Strategic investments in key industries. The group has invested in sectors vital for India's growth, such as airports, mining, and logistics, positioning itself for future growth with infrastructure projects like roads and railways. Number 7. Government support for infrastructure. Adani Group benefits from the Indian government's push for infrastructure development, particularly in sectors like power, ports, and logistics, which are essential for India's growth. Number 8. Operational efficiency. Adani Group has demonstrated operational excellence across its businesses, particularly in port and power sectors, with strong financial performance and profitability. Number 9. Strong management team. The leadership under Gautam Adani is known for its strategic vision and ability to scale the group rapidly. Number 10. Adaptability and resilience. Adani Group has shown the ability to navigate challenging circumstances, including regulatory hurdles and market volatility, which demonstrates resilience in a dynamic environment. Number 11. Energy transition strategy. The shift towards green energy and sustainability aligns with global trends and is likely to attract long-term investments, providing strong growth prospects. Number 12. Debt management. Despite concerns about its debt levels, Adani Group has been actively working to reduce debt through asset sales, improving its financial position and reducing risks. Number 13. Solid growth prospects. Adani Group is expanding into new sectors such as data centers, airport management, and defense, presenting new opportunities for growth. Number 14. Ownership in critical infrastructure. Adani has stakes in airports, such as the airports in Mumbai, Lucknow, and Ahmedabad, giving it a strategic position in a growing transportation sector. Number 15. Strong investor backing. The group has garnered substantial investments from international investors and financial institutions, which reflects confidence in its long-term growth trajectory. Why you should consider staying invested in Adani Group. Long-term vision. Adani Group has built its businesses with a long-term vision, particularly in sectors that are likely to see sustained demand, such as renewable energy, infrastructure, and logistics. Potential for value creation. Despite the controversies, the group's investments in growth sectors such as green energy and ports are poised to create significant value over time. Strong governmental alignment. Adani Group's focus aligns with India's national goals, particularly in infrastructure and renewable energy, increasing the likelihood of continued governmental support. Market leadership. Adani Group's leadership position in several key industries, such as ports and energy, makes it well-positioned to capitalize on India's growing infrastructure needs. Sustainability growth. As the world focuses more on sustainable and renewable sources of energy, Adani Group's emphasis on green energy could benefit significantly. Best and worst case scenarios. Best case scenario. Continued government support. Government policies favoring infrastructure and renewable energy could accelerate Adani Group's growth. This would lead to significant revenue growth from sectors such as ports, logistics, power, and renewable energy. Green energy leadership. As Adani Green Energy expands and scales its projects, the company could become a global leader in renewable energy, boosting profitability. Asset monetization. The group's strategy to sell non-core assets and reduce debt could lead to improved balance sheets, reducing risk and increasing investor confidence. Global expansion. Successful global expansions, particularly in Australia, Adani Mining, and other countries, could provide diversified revenue streams. Strong market position. As the group continues to dominate key sectors, its stock could perform well, generating significant wealth for investors. Worst case scenario. Regulatory challenges and scrutiny. If the group faces sustained regulatory scrutiny, particularly around issues related to corporate governance, debt, or environmental impact, it could lead to legal and financial setbacks. Financial stress. Despite efforts to manage debt, Adani Group's highly leveraged position could become unsustainable, especially if global or domestic economic conditions worsen. A higher-than-expected interest burden or adverse liquidity conditions could impact growth. Market volatility. The group stock could experience significant volatility due to market sentiment, particularly in response to adverse news and short seller reports. Disruption from competitors. As global markets and technologies evolve, competition from other large infrastructure or energy players could disrupt Adani's market leadership. Disclaimer. Market investments are subject to significant risks, including but not limited to fluctuations in stock prices, economic conditions, regulatory changes, and company-specific factors. The content provided in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities. Always conduct thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee of any specific financial outcome. Investors should be aware that market conditions can change rapidly and losses may occur. Please invest responsibly.